Good morning, students. I hope that you have completed your previous day work. You have completed warm-up exercise and the notebook work, right? So now today we are going to do the exercise 7.1 in the book, this page, right? 7.1, this one. So we are going to do this page 131 and we will be studying page 132. Here is about pattern, right? So this we are going to study today. So everyone take out your books fast and you need pencil and scale with you all, right? So only this much is required for today. So take it out and let's start the today's work. All right? All of you open page number 131. Today we are going to do exercise 7.1. Everybody take it out fast. So now this is your book work. Draw the line of symmetry for these shapes. पहला question है, we need to draw the line of symmetry for these shapes. Yes, we can do it very nicely. कैसे करना है? I'm just explaining you. For example, the first diagram is the bulb. Okay, let me show you. पहला diagram है आपका bulb, right? Bulb ऐसे ही रहता है ना? So I'm trying to draw it properly. So now you can see here there is a bulb I have drawn roughly. So now it's like this. Here there is यहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ रहता है ना dotted सा, and this one like this. ठीक है, now this is your bulb. अब हमें इसमें बनानी है लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. सो नाउ टेल मी स्टूडेंट, अगर हमने इसको ऐसे डिवाइड किया, सो इज इट प्रॉपर लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री? नो. सो हमें ये ध्यान देना है कि किस शेप में हॉरिजॉन्टली हमें डिवाइड करना है और किस शेप में हमें वर्टिकली डिवाइड करना है, राइट? सो हियर we need to draw the line of symmetry like this. And how many line of symmetry can be there? अगर हम इसको fold करते, it will be equally half. So only one line of symmetry is possible in this bulb. Okay. So now let's draw it. Use scale. Everybody use scale and pencil and make a dotted line like this, the way I am doing. Okay. You have to draw the dotted line with the help of scale. Divide the bulb in two halves. Now next we have this honeybee. So now for example, let me draw it also. For example, I'm drawing it roughly. So just like this. Okay. It's looking like almost this. So now we need to draw it equally half. हमें इसको half करना है. तो can we do it in the middle? हम इसको अगर बीच से half करते हैं तो it can be divided. Yes, it can be divided. हम equally देख सकते हैं कि here and here both side, left side and right side, both are exactly same. So you just draw with the help of scale. Okay, draw it. You need to draw like this. Now next is your gate. It's very simple. Yes. So let's draw this here gate. I am drawing it. The gate is almost like this. Here this one, and here there's design like this. It's kind of this shape, right? And there is now wall, right? और ये pillars हैं. Here is also pillar, right? So now what we have to do? We need to divide like this. Just divide the gate. and then we have house. Let's do that also. It is also same जैसे ताजमहल में हमने divide किया था. We need to just divide. You have to just see कि कितनी line of symmetry बन सकती है. So in these images only one line of symmetry is possible, right? You can see this. In this house also there is only one line of symmetry, right? Now television इतना बड़ा सा है, and अगर हम बीच से हाफ कर देंगे तो नीचे का स्टैंड नहीं आएगा, right? So we need to divide it like this. So just divide it in two equal halves. Now you can see this and this are both are equal. Clear? It should be same. You have to just see that. Next, there is a kite. Can we divide the kite in two equal halves? Yes or no? Should we divide like this? No, because there is its tail also, but on the upper side there is no. So we need to just erase this. This is not the correct method. Let's do it like this. You need to use scale and pencil, remember that, students. Okay. Now after doing the question number 1A, we need to do question number B. In question number B, the question is saying find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following shape. You need to tell that how many line of symmetry will be there in these shapes. Now first is window. There will be how many line of symmetry is possible? Only one. अगर हम ये divide करते हैं, so we get only one, right? We are getting only one. Okay, so you have to write here 1. Okay, now in this circle, as I have told you, circle है या wheel है, उन सब में क्या होते हैं? Infinite line of symmetry can be drawn. You can show some of them like this. You have to use scale and pencil. Just do like this. You can draw few and you can write infinite. Now in this table, how can we divide? We have to divide it in equal halves. Only one line of symmetry is possible, because if we divide like this, then there will be a problem because the legs are on the below the table. So only one line of symmetry is possible. Clear? Complete your question number A and B. Then we need to move to question number C also. Done this much? Okay. Now in question number C, this you can do by your own. It's very easy. Complete the figure treating the dotted line as a line of symmetry. Now यहाँ पे जो dotted line दी हुई है, you have to see that और उसका exactly same जो बना हुआ है right left side में बना हुआ है, same you have to make it on the right side also. Like for example, I'm showing you one, then rest of the question you can do by your own. Now see, here you have to make this half circle, then here again half circle. Now here you need to draw like this. जैसे दिया हुआ है, you have to make it in the same way. Got it? For example, if we need to complete this flower, we have to just complete this. ये exactly half दिए हुए हैं, right? So you have to just make it sure that you are making it exactly same like that only, right? यहाँ पे भी सेम आपका जाएगा exactly जैसे जैसे दिया है, same measurements you have to take, right? So try to solve it like this. Everybody do it by your own. Use pencil and scale only for this also if required. No need to use pen. Okay, so you can complete all the shapes like this. This is what, this is any rabbit or something, maybe it's a kind of bunny. Right, so just make it. I'm showing you all almost exactly same it should be, right? Let me erase this one. Now just draw, this will be the bigger one. Okay, now you can see, now butterfly, you have to make same as it is, right? Now see, I'm also making the same image. Now here we have to make triangle, and here there is a this kind of design, right? So this you need to complete it by your own as a homework, you can say, or anything, just complete like this, right? So complete it by your own. And now moving further to the patterns. Now what is pattern? Turn your page number 132. Now what is pattern? Pattern क्या होता है? A pattern is a sequence of repeated objects or numbers. Pattern can be observed in nature to look at the leaves on the branch or at the arrangement of petals in the flower. सो बेसिकली पैटर्न क्या होता है? एक अरेंजमेंट, हर एक चीज का मतलब इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, राइट? पैटर्न इज अ सीक्वेंस ऑफ रिपीटेड ऑब्जेक्ट, लाइक सी, जैसे लीव्स यहाँ पे पूरी बनी हुई है वैसे इधर भी है, सेम एग्जैक्ट सेम जगह पे, राइट? सो पैटर्न कैन बी ऑब्जर्व इन नेचर ऑल्सो. सो जैसे मैंने अपने इस स्टोर में भी आपको उस दिन दिखाया था, राइट? यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पे भी एग्जैक्टली सेम पैटर्न्स बने हुए हैं. So these things are called pattern. Now students, if you want, you can note down this definition of pattern in your notebook, right? And you can draw this images and any one example of number pattern, right? कोई भी एक number pattern को आप अपने notebook में कर सकते हो if you want. It's not compulsory. If you want, you can do one page for pattern also in the notebook. It's totally up to you. You can do it. But don't do all the 4 question in the notebook. You can do only one. कोई भी एक कर सकते हैं. Now, identify the pattern and fill in the blanks. अब इस क्वेश्चन में आपको बहुत ही ध्यान से देखना है कि क्या पैटर्न यूज हुआ है और किस तरह से आप इजिली कर सकते हो विदाउट कैलकुलेटिंग, बिना कैलकुलेट किए ये क्वेश्चंस को, राइट? सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. लेट्स डू द फर्स्ट वन. फर्स्ट में दिया है 37 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3. सो इट्स रिटन 37 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3, दैट इज गिवन 111, that means 111. Next, 37 multiplied by 6 is 222. 37 multiplied by 9 is 333. Now remember that this here the number 37 is common, and here we are following the table of 3. What we are following? The table of 3. And see here 37 के बाद फिर 9 के बाद क्या आएगा टेबल में, 3 की टेबल में? Yes, here will be 12, right? Now here is already written 444. So what we have to use? We need to just write 111, 222. In this format we need to do. Now if we are doing 37 multiplied by 15, so 4 के बाद हो गया 1 2 3 4 is done. So here will be 555. Okay. Now next 37 multiplied by 18. Here will be 666, right? So 666. This is the pattern which we are following. This is the pattern. ये क्या है? एक pattern है, right? So you need to follow this pattern and complete it. Clear? All right. Now in second question, see what pattern is going on. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 लिखा है. कितने टाइम्स में? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, 9 times 2 लिखा है मल्टीप्लाई बाय 9. सो वो क्या आ रहा है? 1 एंड देन उसके बाद पूरे 9 9 9 एंड 8 लास्ट में. वाई? 9 2 क्या होता है? 18. 18 कैरी 1, फिर 9 2 18. सो इस तरह से जस्ट वी हैव टू फॉलो. सो बिना मल्टीप्लाई किए हम ये क्वेश्चन को कर सकते हैं. कैसे? जस्ट सी, ये 2 था, 3 4, नाउ वी नीड टू डू 5. अब ये हो गया 1, ये हो गया 2, यहाँ 3. सो हियर वी विल राइट व्हाट? 4. ओके. नाउ अब यहाँ पे था 8 7 6, हियर विल बी 5. एंड कितने बार 9 लिखना है? यू नीड टू जस्ट काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. सो यू हैव टू राइट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times 9. Now here we have written 1, 2, 3, 4. So here will be 5. And how many times 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 9. And here 5 tha, so this will be 4. So we need to just follow this sequence. Now you can see the below there is a diagram. Here is a picture of giraffe and zebra that we have already discussed. I have already told you about this zebra and this giraffe, that we have patterns on our body as well. They are saying to each other that we have patterns of also. I have colorful pattern on my wings, and see this butterfly is having, there's some pattern on the wings, right? So these are called pattern. ये जो इसमें symbols ऐसे बने रहते हैं, ये जो design है, this is called pattern. And here this is called the pattern of zebra, right? Now see the third one and the fourth one. You have to just see कि क्या पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है और उसके आगे क्वेश्चन को सेम करना है. कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, इट्स वेरी इजी. नाउ सी पहला पैटर्न क्या है, 1 + 3 = 4 होता है, ठीक है. सो 2 2 ज़ा 4. सो देन 1 3 5, रिमेंबर दैट यहाँ पे क्या यूज हो रहे हैं, ठीक है. आप ये देखो 1 + 3, फिर 1 + 3 + 5 आपने पढ़ा है मल्टीपल्स एंड फैक्टर्स चैप्टर्स में, राइट. आपने पढ़ा है ना वहाँ पे that what are the numbers which are only divisible by itself पढ़ा है. So we are using that numbers only, right, the prime numbers. So 1 3 5 7 is equals to 16. So 4 4s are 16. So here 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So next क्या होगा, 5 5s are 25. We are taking this, right. Next 1 3 5 7 9 11. अब जब ये हो चुका हमारा 4 9 16 25. सो 2 2 ज़ा क्या होता है 4, 3 3 ज़ा क्या होता है 9, 4 4 ज़ा 16, 5 5 ज़ा 25. देन क्या होगा 6 6 ज़ा क्या होता है 6 6 ज़ा 36. तो इनका सम क्या होगा 36. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन चेक इट, राइट. नेक्स्ट अगर हम नेक्स्ट पे जाएँ तो 1 + 3 + 5 + 7 + 9 + 11. 11 के बाद कौन सा है प्राइम नंबर, 13. So now here will be 7 multiplied by 7. 7 7s are 49. Clear? So हमने क्या लिया है, the numbers जिनके डबल हैं और we are just adding the prime numbers और उसका sum क्या आ रहा है, इनका square. Like 7 का square, 7 7s are 49, 6 6s are 36, 5 5s are 25. ये squares होते हैं. You will study it in the class 6 or 7 about the square. Okay. Square means just double of the number. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. That is square. Now question number 4. 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. ठीक है. Then 111 multiplied by 111 is, ये क्या हो रहा है देखो 1 2 1 है. So 1 2, फिर बीच में नया नंबर आ रहा है 3, फिर 2 1. और नया नंबर कौन सा हो रहा है, जो उसके बाद आता है. 1 के बाद 2 आता है, 2 के बाद 3. So वैसे ही अब यहाँ 4 है. सो यहाँ पे बीच में 4 आ जाएगा. 1 2 3 4 और 3 2 1. अब ये कितने हैं 3 4 5, तो बीच में क्या आना चाहिए 5. 1 2 3 4 5 और उसके बाद रिपीट 4 3 2 1. देन 3 4 5 6, यहाँ पे भी 6. सो हेयर विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 और 6 टाइम्स है तो 6. देन अगेन 5 4 3 2 1. रिपीट दैट नंबर. So these are the number pattern. You have to just identify कि कौन सा number pattern use हो रहा है. Starting के 3 को observe करो and then you can do it, right? Okay. So this is the pattern. इसको बोलते हैं pattern. There are different types of pattern as I have told you. कुछ होते हैं like किसी भी चीज़ में drawing pattern होते हैं and some of them are patterns which are numeric, that is number pattern, and some of them are like you want you can go ahead, you can try by your own. It's not in your course, it's not coming in your exam, but if you want you can do it by your own, students. It's very easy, usko turn karna hai and all. These kinds of questions come in the MCQ pattern when you will go to senior classes, so you will study in the next class. All right, so complete this much in your book today. एंड इफ़ यू वांट, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, इफ़ यू वांट कि पैटर्न के बारे में आपको कॉपी में लिखना है, सो जस्ट राइट डाउन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पैटर्न एंड ड्रॉ वन पिक्चर पैटर्न एंड ड्रॉ वन नंबर पैटर्न इन दी कॉपी. ठीक है, आप अपने बुक से नोट डाउन कर सकते हो. Otherwise, it's just a book work. All right. So that's all for today, students. Bye bye. Tomorrow we are going. Matlab, I mean, next day, next class. That means on next Wednesday, we are going to do the line of symmetry. We are going to do line of symmetry in the notebook. All right. Or main basic shape, that is square, rectangle, triangle, circle. All right, so this we will be doing in that day. So till then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day, students.